What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Super Beets Sport. This formula is a nitric oxide enhancing formula. It's essentially beetroot, but it also has a few other things in it. It has beetroot, it also has natural cherry flavor, malic acid, magnesium absorbate, and stevia leaf extract for sweetening. So the natural cherry flavor and the stevia extract really just give it more flavor and it makes it sweeter instead of like a really rooty beet powder. So if you aren't familiar with nitric oxide is a gaseous molecule in your bloodstream that helps your body to circulate blood better. So if your nitric oxide levels are low, your circulation is not as healthy, but if your nitric oxide levels are at a healthy level, your circulation moves faster. And the good thing about that is when you go to the gym and you work out, whether you do any cardiovascular fitness or lifting weights or whatever it may be, your blood moves faster and it pumps up your muscles quicker. So that blood flow with nutrients gets to your muscles. So the thing I love about this Super Beets Sport is first of all, it's a non-GMO beet powder. I'll give you a little sneak peek on the inside there. It's a very dark color and it smells really good, honestly. And it tastes really good as well. So I will say there's a lot of powders that I've got over the years that, like for example, if it's a beetroot powder, it won't be super red, or if it's a green powder, it won't be super green. The darker the pigmentation, the more nutrition it has. And this powder is a very nice color, a very dark, purplish, reddish color, and it's absolutely delicious. So my 2 cents on it, I love it. It is delicious, and the thing that's nice about it is not only does it have the beetroot powder, but it also has the magnesium absorbate. Now, magnesium ascorbate is actually magnesium and vitamin C paired together. And the reason for that is because the magnesium helps to support your muscle function and muscle contraction. And then the vitamin C that's paired with that magnesium helps to push the nitrates further. So it essentially preserves the nitrates. Beets are very high in nitrates, and nitrates convert into nitric oxide in the body, which is what you want. So having beets is great if you just eat beets. By the way, beet tops are actually higher. Beet tops meaning the beet greens that most people throw away and disregard. So when you do get beets, take the beet tops and cook those and eat those as well. So you get more nitric oxide from those. But the beet powder, it's good to have the nitrates, but the magnesium additionally helps muscle contractions. And then as magnesium ascorbate, the vitamin C paired with it, helps to preserve the nitrates, and then those nitrates help to keep the nitric oxide levels higher in your system longer. So I like that this formula isn't just beetroot powder, it's magnesium ascorbate, magnesium, vitamin C to help muscle contractions and the prolonging of the nitrates in the body to create more nitric oxide for a prolonged period of time. So it's not a single formula it's a pre-workout, yes, but it gives you nitric oxide boosting capacity throughout your workout if you take it before your workout. So I really like that aspect of it. It is a delicious product. The natural cherry flavor, along with the stevia gives it a little bit of sweetness. There's no stevia aftertaste if you're wondering. I know some people, there's certain stevia brands, by the way, they're the low quality ones, and maybe I should make a video about those differences in stevia quality. But the low quality stevia brands and stevia products, especially like the synthesized version of it, has a horrible aftertaste. This does not have the aftertaste at all. So if you don't like stevia and you think, oh no, it has stevia in it, don't worry, there's absolutely zero aftertaste. I didn't taste any aftertaste at all. All you taste is that beet and cherry, that delicious red flavor. And this container is like 33 bucks. It's actually on sale right now on Amazon. It's 7.1 ounces. So it's a pretty good sized container for 33 bucks, and I recommend it. So I like it, it's a good pre-workout. I also take another nitric oxide formula called Cardio Miracle, and I like pairing these together because Cardio Miracle has a wide range of nutrition for heart and cardiovascular health. And then beetroot, specifically with the magnesium and magnesium ascorbate, once again, to prolong the nitrates, to boost the nitric oxide long term, is very beneficial for your body's ability to boost nitric oxide and prolong those nitrates in the body. So I actually pair these two together for my pre-workout. Cardio Miracle which is a supplement for cardiovascular health, and then this, the beetroot powder as well, with the additional things in there, and it actually works incredibly well. So I would recommend both of them. I'll link them both up below. But if you are just looking for a pre-workout and a really good pre-workout that is prolongs throughout your workout, then I recommend the beetroot powder, the Super Beets Sport by the company Humana. The company's Humana. I'll link it up on Amazon right below in the description. So that's it for this video. It's good to get pre-workouts in. If you're gonna go to the gym in the new year, you wanna have pre-workouts and you wanna have very clean pre-workouts, no caffeine, none of that junk, just something that boosts your nitric oxide levels. So I'll link this up in the description below. And if you're looking for more products to support your health and wellness journey, visit healthywildfree.com/shop below. That link will give you access to more than 30 different wellness brands that I've reviewed here on the channel, different products from those brands, along with discount codes as well. So check out that link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and leave your comments. Have a great day. Bye.